Yen.
Yes. So this is the awesome old women's prison that I'm having my exhibition in. This is the outside, and this is the entrance. And there's Marianne, one of my friends. This is my painting. First one here. Awesome. So yeah, that's one of mine. What was that? Open cup? I don't remember. I'll have to look it up. So here are all the cells where they have exhibitions from all kinds of artists. There's 30+ artists exhibiting here. So I'll try to show you a little of it. It's a bar. It opens in a few hours today. The opening night was 2 nights ago. Then you have 3 floors, well, the ground floor and 2 others. So then get up here, you walk up the stairs. I'm gonna show you my room, my cell. So not much to say here. More cells, more artists. This is such a cool space. Really cool. Really, really cool. And I'm on the top floor. Yep. Old prison. Pretty neat place for a prison, I would say, but yeah, that's cells, and I'm over here. And this one, this is me. This is me. This is the landscape swipe I made in DC in Kathleen's classes. Wonderful Kathleen. Really love this one. It looks even better with more light on it. The gold is very dominant, but I love it. And my heartbreak. These 4, I would really prefer to sell them as a set, but let's see if that happens. Oh, I also brought my coasters and ta-da, my postcard. This one, these, as you can see, they have resin on. Here's my World AIDS Day piece, and that one was also made for World AIDS Day, but didn't make the collaboration. I just did that separately. And I got the World AIDS Day printed on a t-shirt, bought a mannequin from one of my friends. This is another t-shirt. I know it looks like a skirt, but it's not. So, and here's my Rainbow Pride. Really hard to film in this with the resin. There you go. Beautiful, I think. And my Mardi Gras. And that's it. That's it. Ta-da! This is so exciting.